What's up, YouTube? Soggy, foggy rider here. I can't see you. My glasses are fogged. And rained in now, I really can't see you. 2 o'clock in the morning, 2:30, somewhere around in there. 48 degrees, raining its butt off. I don't know if you can see it. Raining. That's a Suzuki out there waiting on me to pull it into the shop and get it out of the rain. I'm wet. I love it. Oh, shoot. Oh. That's the best kind of ride right there, buddy. I tell you what. Especially when you make it home safe and sound. And trust me, when it's raining, I have a few extra rules that I follow. Any maneuver, 1 gear lower than what I normally would do it in. And just extremely cautious. So, like the Billy Joel song, you may be right, I may be crazy. Well, that's just the kind of lunatic you're looking for. Alright, let me get the bike in. Let me get inside, get dried off. Actually, not real wet. It's a little soggy. I'll get wetter going from the shop to the house than I did on the ride. Alright, guys. I'll talk to you later. I like my new button. Well, no, it's over here. I like my new toy. Alright, guys. Bye.